Ready? Here we go. Name 3 jets from West Side Story.
Riff, action, A-Rap.
Margarita pizza or margarita drinks?
Margarita pizza.
Am I funny on Twitter?
Yes.
Finish the sentence. In West Philadelphia.
Born and raised on a playground. I've spent most of my days.
That's good. Favorite bachelor?
Oh,
come on.
God, I'm obsessed.
No.
So many. Not Juan Pablo.
Okay,
That's
go.
my answer.
Okay. Favorite bachelorette?
Jillian.
Favorite alphabet?
Ooh.
You asked me one.
Favorite alphabet. I'm blank on all of them. I'm gonna say Carrie Ellis.
Underwood. Great. What is my daughter's middle name?
Schmackery.
Schmackery.
It's the first word that came from my mind.
Schmackery's or Amy's bread?
Amy's bread. I am a Schmackery's hater. I'm sorry. I got really annoyed. I think I was just sucked out of the room. I'm sorry. No. Listen. Really?
Wait, no, this is a lightning round. Okay. What did you do in Everyday Rapture?
I understudied the Mennonites.
Okay, that was my only of those.
That was all I had.
That was all I had.